what we have seen just now is the frameworks we are working on. One is rotating and one is non-rotating. At the first part of the video, we have seen the table not moving or not rotating. That is our stationary framework or non-rotating framework, where the existing force is only the gravitational force, and the same thing we are rotating first clockwise, anti-clockwise, and then clockwise. This will create a motion and in our frameworks. So that's why we are telling it the rotating framework. You will see the arrows in the next part of the video, that how these forces are working on that frame. Now we will explain how the centrifugal force works. So for the first part of our video, on the table there is only a ball and the ball is not moving, as the only force is working towards the gravity. But in the next step, when we start moving the ball, when we start moving this, so when we start moving the ball, moving the bench, our stick goes out of this space, and this is because of our centrifugal force. Because of the centrifugal force, the object is leaving the space where it was stationary. Thank you.
In this section, we are demonstrating the Coriolis effect. More specifically, in the first part, I am holding the camera while not spinning. This leads to the Coriolis effect not being present in this part. This is also shown in the next clip, where there is an arrow present in a straight line. In the second part, I am holding the camera while spinning, and this shows the Coriolis effect. This is also shown by the curved arrow present in the clip. Thank you.
Yes, you will touch that one.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I am not.
It's recording?
Yes.
Oh no, how to stop this?
One more time.
One more time, I forgot the direction.
Bloopers are fun. And this is way too. There we go. Hold on.